Hey everyone, welcome to Neat Shorts. So before I start this video, I want to make a quick introduction because there are a lot of people who are new to this channel. So I am a BITS Pilani engineer from 2015 and I worked in a couple of startups in across domains in healthcare, in education, in venture capital for 5 6 years. And last year 2020, between COVID, I started preparing for NEET UG 2021, and this year I've cleared my exam, and I've got a score of 676, and my rank is 1118 All India. So thank you so much for all your comments across platforms on my previous video with NEET prep and everything. And I got a lot of queries from you guys that you want to understand how I prepared, all of the subjects within 1 year. And given that I had a gap of 10 years, it was definitely not easy. But I still tried hard, and today I want to come here and basically tell you what are the things that I basically practiced. So to begin with, I have just one thing to tell you that I studied NCRT multiple times. Like for bio, I read it around 10 times. For chemistry, I read it around 4 to 5 times. And for physics, I read it for 3 to 4 times. I'll make a separate video on physics, chemistry, bio, but this is my overall strategy video. So my schedule was mostly like, I joined Akash live classes, and because I had lost touch for 10 years and I wanted to make sure that there is somebody online at least who can clear my doubts at times. So classes were from 11 to 2, and after that I used to take a break for half an hour and then I used to get back to studies. So I usually used to read NCRT of that particular topic on that particular day of the class, and I used to solve at least 30 40 questions daily because that kept me going. Initially, when I started, you won't believe, my speed was very less. I used to make a lot of mistakes, and in fact, I made mistakes like 22 plus 22 is 43. मतलब because I have been using calculator for so long कि मेरे को लिखने की आदत चली गई थी. My hands used to pain a lot while writing. So I knew that I had to build my speed from scratch. So I made sure that I solved at least 40 questions daily across physics, chemistry, and bio, total milake. And the funny thing is that I attended all classes because मेरे को कुछ आता नहीं था, पुराना 10 साल का भूल चुकी थी. Bio especially was zero. So I knew that I had to attend everything. So if you're joining some class and if you feel that it is important, please attend the class. कभी कभी हमें लगता है कि हम बाद में देख लेंगे रिकॉर्डिंग या फिर ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट इफ़ यू फील दैट द टॉपिक इज़ वीक, मेक श्योर यू अटेंड द क्लास. बिकॉज क्लास में जब आपको सुनाई देता है ना, टीचर जब बात करते हैं एंड यू इंटरेक्ट विद द टीचर ऑनलाइन समटाइम्स, तो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है. You should definitely ask doubts. I always asked a lot of doubts to all the teachers. चाहे कितना भी परेशान हो, don't worry about whether they'll judge you or not, whether they'll think you are dumb or anything. It's nothing like that. I asked the most silliest questions and I made sure that my question was answered, no matter how dumb my question is. And third thing is that I give all the mock tests that Akash had provided me. So around 100 plus, because I was also in the intensive scholar batch towards the end. तो last 40 days में मैंने 40 टेस्ट दिए थे, एंड मैं हर टेस्ट 2 से 5 के बीच में देती थी. दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बिकॉज नीट हैपन्स between 2 to 5 p.m. and a lot of people think that रात को पढ़ लेना चाहिए, शांति होती है, I'll study at night and दिन में सोऊंगा. It might work for you, but for me it was always like that I will keep my mind active between 2 to 5 because I want to psychologically build that habit that 2 to 5 is my most productive and most highly वर्किंग माइंडसेट. क्योंकि मुझे पता था एग्ज़ाम उस समय होगा, नींद आएगी. सो आई ऑलवेज गिव ऑल माई टेस्ट बिटवीन 2 to 5 एंड 2 to 5 आई ऑलवेज स्टडीड एंड आई डिड नॉट मतलब स्टडी all night or anything like that. I used to study for about 10 to 12 hours a day depending on how the day is. There were days when I was not able to study much, but I used to make sure that I am covering it up in the next day. So the next thing that I did was that I exercised almost every day throughout that 1 year. I have been exercising since 4 5 years daily, but I knew that exercise makes me active. Any form of physical activity is very very important for the brain. It refreshes you, it makes you feel like it's a new day after you exercise. So every day between 6 to 7 in between COVID, I used to do it at home workouts, free workouts, YouTube or anything. You can do whatever you want. You can take a walk. Now things have opened up. You can actually go to the gym or whatever suits you. But please exercise. I used to eat really well. मैं फ्रूट्स बहुत खाती थी, वेजिटेबल्स खाती थी, मैं बहुत हेल्दी खाना खाती थी एंड मैं बिल्कुल जंक फूड नहीं खाती थी ज़्यादा. मतलब हफ्ते में एक बार खा लिया दैट्स फाइन, बट इट वॉज नॉट माई डेली हैबिट बिकॉज extra carbohydrates and extra sugar and extra fat makes you sleepy and drowsy, and basically it does not give a kick to your brain. So please do that. Drink a lot of water, keeps you hydrated, and oxygen levels are also replenished in the body, and overall it's very healthy to drink a lot of water. And most important thing is that there were days when I used to feel sad, lonely because of a lot of things. COVID tha, anxiety thi, but I always kept reminding myself why I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm 29 right now, and I had a good job, everything, and people in the society expect that I should get married, have kids, and so on and so forth. And there were a lot of people who used to tell me that why you're doing this, you should do MBA, you're already an engineer, you should do civil services. They were free advice all over. So I never paid attention to that. So that I filtered out such people. For me, having great set of people around me who encouraged me was my first priority in life always. I never ever interacted with anyone who basically dimmed my light. I made sure that I cut off with people who did not understand my ambition, who did not want to support it. I respect their point of view, but it is not necessary that I have to interact with them. So I've burned a lot of friendships in the last 1 year. It does not matter. I kept in touch with people who encouraged me a lot, who told me on the days that I was not feeling well that hey, come on, you know what you're doing, why you're doing. So that's the kind of people you need to be around. It's very easy to fall for bad peer pressure and think कि अच्छा मेरा दोस्त नहीं पढ़ रहा है, मैं क्या करूँगा, इट्स ओके, वो भी नहीं पढ़ रहा है. ऐसा नहीं होता. सबके गोल्स अलग होते हैं. आपको बाद में जाके रियलाइज़ होगा सबके पाथ्स बहुत बहुत यूनिक होते हैं. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट पीपल whom you need to interact with, right? And even in my classes, I connected with only one person. She and I were very similar in our mindset, and we were both very ambitious. So I made sure that I connected with people who were only talking uh, you know things which were important and not talking random background noise. So that is very important. uh, there were also things like that the topics जो मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगते थे, जैसे मेरा प्लांट किंगडम, सॉरी, मेरा जो प्लांट वाला फिजियोलॉजी वाला पार्ट है बहुत वीक था, बिकॉज आई कुड नॉट विजुअलाइज हाउ प्लांट्स में पानी कैसे ऊपर चढ़ रहा है, एंड लीव्स के स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. इट हैज़ बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम दैट आई हैव लेफ्ट ऑल दैट बिहाइंड. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ हेटिंग ऑल दैट कि यार नहीं, क्यों, क्या करना है, ये ज़बरदस्ती है, क्यों है, ये कचरा है, आई यूज टू फील दैट यार syllabus का तो पार्ट है ही, right? There must be a reason they are teaching us that. So, and if I have to be a good doctor, or if I have to be good in anything, there will be parts in life which you won't like. Even when you do a job, even when I did engineering, there were things I always did not like. But that doesn't mean you can get away with it. घर में रह के सफाई तो करनी पड़ती है ना. Nobody likes to clean the house, right? But we all have to do things we don't like. Even when you work out, it's very hard. You get tired, your heartbeat is up, and it's very exhausting. But you have to do it, right? Because the result is very amazing. So I always kept myself reminding कि यार मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ. That is more important. And I told myself कि hey, I have to be the best that I can be, and there is nothing impossible. So I think the mindset matters a lot, the psychology matters a lot, and the fact that nobody else could discourage me is very important. Like, I did not pay attention to that. So you need to be self motivated. Nobody else will clap for you. If you expect कि लोग आके आपको motivate करेंगे, that is the worst advice ever. See, nobody will do that for you. You have to do it for yourself, because you are living your dream. You are doing MBBS for yourself, not for your relatives, your parents, your friends, or anybody, right? You're doing it for you. So make sure you focus and you know why you're doing what you're doing, right? And the last thing that I would want to say is that it's okay to fail. I mean, make sure you keep giving tests. मतलब लोग टेस्ट नहीं देते हैं क्योंकि नहीं कम नंबर आ रहे हैं. इट्स ओके, क्या हो जाएगा, टेस्ट, मॉक टेस्ट ही तो है. मतलब आपको तो एक ही टेस्ट की तैयारी करनी है ना, जो कि लास्ट डे पे है, राइट? तो इट्स ओके टू फेल. मतलब व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड स्कोरिंग अराउंड 590 ऑन 720. दैट्स लाइक अ वेरी एवरेज स्कोर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. लाइक उससे मेरा ज़्यादा कुछ होता नहीं लाइफ में, एंड आई यूज़ टू फील कि अरे बहुत कम है, बट आई नेवर लेफ्ट दैट होप, and I kept giving tests, and towards the end I started scoring 700 plus The last test which I gave, I had 705. So see, with consistent efforts, you can always gain anything in life. Always remember, discipline and motivation both give rise to success, but motivation may not happen on certain days. We have low energy, low temper, but if you have the discipline कि सुबह उठ के पढ़ना ही है चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, तो मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो बिल्ड द डिसिप्लिन इन योर लाइफ. एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शंस अराउंड कि फ़ोन यूज़ करना है, इंस्टाग्राम करना है, फेसबुक करना है. आई थिंक फॉर मी इट वॉज मोर अबाउट कीपिंग इन टच विद पीपल. मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था कि सोशल मीडिया पे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, कहीं घूमने जा रहे हैं, किसी की शादी हो रही है, किसी के बच्चे पैदा हो रहे हैं, या फिर पीपल आर इन्जॉइंग देयर लाइव्स. आई रियली डिडंट केयर, बिकॉज मुझे पता था कि मेरा जो गोल है वो बहुत अलग है. आई एम डूइंग व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट दैट कैन हैपन टू मी. उससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है कि सोशल मीडिया पे लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, राइट? Tomorrow if you become a doctor and if you start posting things that you like, people will think कि अरे ये तो डॉक्टर बन गया. So it is all about mindset. So I think NEET is all about mindset more than the studies. When you know you want something, you can definitely have it. The path can be longer, the path can be very stressful, but the path cannot be lost. And the final thing I want to tell you is that if you're a dropper and if you feel that it's too late for you, आप बहुत बूढ़े हो गए हो, please look at me. I'm 29. Uh, I'll be a doctor at 35. I can be something very different right now in my life with all the money that I have for myself. I can get a good job. I've left everything. There is never too late to pursue what you want, right? And you're never old. I mean, I also feel that I am going to be much older than my batchmates, but I feel that they're going to be young, they will inspire me, I'll never get old. It's me visiting my 20s again. That is what I look forward to. Okay, so don't worry too much about all this background noise and make sure that you stay focused on what you want and achieve that. I hope this video helps, and please let me know in comments what did you think about this video. And please subscribe the channel if you haven't still, and make sure you send this to a friend of yours, whoever wants to see this today and whoever needs to see this today. Thank you so much.